All right, so I bought a snap-on socket, got the center support bolt out. I pulled the rest of the inside of the transmission out. Looks like this. You got to put a new one in there. It actually has a rubber seal in it. It's kind of tricky to get out. I was able to get it out very carefully from the inside, hitting out with a screwdriver. You want to be careful not to damage the lip inside of here. I went ahead and did a bunch of scraping on this. Got the majority of the gunk, like the big chunks, off. I'm going to take it outside today. It's in the 40s and 50s today here in Minnesota. Take this outside, hook up the pressure washer, hit it with some oven cleaner, and see if we can't find the metal here somewhere. So anyway, this is the valve body for the Turbo 400. Pretty much came out just like this. There was a piece in here. I don't remember when I took that out. But I need to get this piece off. There's just a little C-clip down in here that you need to get out. Okay, I finally did get it out of there. So I had to get it lined up so this was facing me. Press down on the back side so you could still get in there with a screwdriver, and he had to kind of push down on both sides. So I used a screwdriver on this side, pushed it down, and that spring, holy cow, that's like a dang valve spring. That had to have been like 40 pounds of pressure there. I pinched my hand, got everything. Got her out of there though. I have a new mascot. Say hi, Roxy. Roxy, say hi, girl. Hi. Say hi. Yeah, Roxy's my new mascot. My granddaughters absolutely adore her, and she loves the attention, so it's kind of a win-win on that one. Not something crazy. Yeah, they just push out, because that one comes out of there. We can walk it out. There we go. Just walking that one right out. Feels nice and smooth. This transmission was shifting just fine for me. But it was leaking like a sieve. And since I'm redoing the engine to a stroker, I didn't want to take any chances. No chances at all. And same thing here. This spring on this one must be a little bit stronger. Okay. And I don't really want to grab any of these pins with pliers and all for fear of marring them up. Pull this pin out. Okay, that one just had a spring in the center. The spring that was in the bottom. Let's see if both these springs are the same size. Boy, longer spring was on the bottom. To remember that. But that's what I have you for, to remember that for me. That's part of the reason, one of the reasons why I'm taking video. So remember this stuff. Oh, there's another piece down in here I didn't get out of the other valve. All right, let me put this in the bag. Oop, this come out on the second side. Okay, this is what was holding that other spring. I'm not sure. Let's push this pin out. Pin's pushing out pretty easily. Okay, it was spring loaded. Okay, flat side down. So that was up. The flat was against the spring. Man, these are going to be real easy to mix up later. So this one came out of here. This is on the, over by where the 900 or 006 is. Went right here. The accumulator's here. Came out like that. But anyway, she's apart. Thanks for watching. I know I haven't had many videos lately. Been trying to get all the parts together so I could do this stuff, and then I find another thing to do. I actually damaged my other phone beyond repair, the one that had the good camera. So yeah, I'm waiting for another camera to come. So I'm going to post this one. Apologize for the quality on the video. I promise they'll get better. I always want to put out good content for people to watch. If anybody has any comments on any of the things that I took apart, on maybe this metal filter isn't reusable or doesn't normally come in the kit. I haven't opened the kit yet. I've been trying to get all this apart. I've been working on the transmission, cleaning it a little bit more. I don't know how much more I'm going to clean the outer part of the transmission. I mean, to be honest, it's going to get dirty again. I'm not looking for, put mirrors under the car for showroom quality or nothing like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, give me your feedback. Again, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.